Welcome to HeatSign. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to mark date codes on cardboard boxes using our dual laser marking machine. Step 1. Turn the emergency stop switch and power on the machine. Step 2. Use the text tool to create your date code. Step 3. Set the text size, alignment, and position on the marking area. Step 4. Adjust laser parameters such as power, speed, and frequency for cardboard. Step 5. Place your cardboard box on the work table and press Start to begin marking. Need a smart solution for date coding on packaging? Contact HeatSign today and streamline your marking process.